distributivity only works with multiplication and division on addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division on addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction. The first one there, A times, see that's the multiplication, on in addition, B plus C. What this means is you can either do the BODMAS by adding the B and C first to get the answer, and then multiplying that answer by A. You can do it that way, it'll give you the result. It also has the same result as if you distribute the A to the members of, or to the numbers, to the operation which is inside the brackets. So in other words, you go A times B first, plus that same A be multiplied on the C. The answer should be the same. So I think if we use actual numbers, we'd be able to have a better appreciation of it. Now look at those variables. Look at that, the first one there using variables. We have A on. Remember, if you've got brackets immediately, it means multiplied by. So this means A times or A on B plus C minus D. So the answer that you get by doing the B plus C minus D first, and then doing what? Multiplying it by A, should be the same as if you multiply the A by each of those individuals. Then you do the multiplication there. So I'm picking up that there was a bit of an error there. That's supposed to, the original sum is supposed to be A. Instead of subtraction, somewhere I used addition. So I think the best solution would be to resolve this and change this minus there into a plus, because the rest of it behaves as if this was a plus. So I'll just do that before I go to notes. So if we take the real life examples with literals remember are numerals, numbers, numeric values. So you can have it as 2 times, and then in brackets 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you do it this way, you find that you do the 3 plus 4 plus 5, this gives you 12. So 2 times what was in the brackets there, which is the 12, is 24, using the BODMAS rule, or PEMDAS. But if you use the distributivity rule, this simply means you just multiply, you apply that 2 to each of those values. So it becomes 2 times 3. That's what we have here. And then that same 2 that's on the outside, you multiply it by the 4. And that same 2 that's on the outside, you multiply it by the 5. And then that's when you add them up together. So the 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. You add those 3 together, you end up with 24.
Now here's an interesting example with division. We have here 2 divided by, in brackets, 8 plus 4 minus 10, close bracket. If you attempt to distribute the 2 into the dividend, which is 8 plus 4 minus 10, by 8 dividing into 2, 4 dividing into 2, and 10 dividing into 2, you are going to get quite a complicated answer. The answer you get here is incorrect. This is because you've distributed the dividend rather than the divisor. This is because division is not commutative, so the position of the divisor as opposed to the position of the dividend does matter. So distributivity only works for division if you are dividing by the number that you are going to distribute.